Dear students, in the last section we have started the topic building cloud computing environment, and in which we have seen application development. So that application may be a web applications or it may be a resource intensive applications. A resource intensive application can be either a data intensive or compute intensive applications. Okay, so these are the application development. It may be a enterprise applications also. Now today we will see infrastructure and system development. So, cloud computing consists of distributed computing, virtualization, service orientation and web 2.0. These form the core technologies enabling the provisioning of cloud services from anywhere on the globe. By using this technology, we can access the cloud services anywhere in the world. Developing application and system that uses the cloud requires knowledge across these technologies. Distributed computing is the foundational model for cloud computing. As we know, cloud computing is the distributed computing, because distributed computing hide the complexity of the internal organization. Likewise, the cloud computing hides the complexity of the cloud, but it gives only the single interface to the user. So your cloud computing is a distributed computing. Then infrastructure as a service provide the capabilities to add on the service resources, as well as it can remove the resources, means you can scale up as well as scale down your infrastructure. So this is the most interesting feature of the cloud computing. Then platform as a service embed into the core offering algorithms and rules. Web 2.0. Web 2.0 is the core technology of the cloud computing, through which we can access the cloud computing services which are delivered, managed and provisioned. Besides the interaction with rich interfaces through web browser, web services have become the primary access point. All the services are accessed using the web. So that is why we can call the cloud computing as a XAAS, that is everything as a service, means we can take the computing facilities of the cloud as a service. That is why we can call the cloud as a XAAS, that is everything as a service. Then next is the virtualization. So what is virtualization? Virtualization is the another element that plays the fundamental role in the cloud computing. Actually, this virtualization feature is from the era of the mainframe, that is it is the old 40 years old, but cloud computing introduces a new challenges into the virtualization, and today virtualization is used effectively through the cloud computing. Virtualization is the abstraction of the virtual hardware or runtime environment. Okay, so these are all the considerations that have to be considered while developing the cloud computing applications as well as infrastructure and system. Okay, in the next session we will see computing platforms and technologies. Thank you.